All right, we're going to be taking this bathroom mirror down. I'm going to show you how we do that. We've already removed the two clips that were up top, just two Phillips head screws, but it's glued on behind here. So we're going to try and put some wood shims around it where we can. There's not a lot of space on that side, so we're kind of limited. But make sure before you do something like this, you tape it up good in case the mirror cracks, because they almost always do. But we'll try it out and let's just see what happens. Okay, before you get started, make sure you got some gloves on, some eye protection, and take your time, so rush. Let's see if we can get any of these in back here, get them started. Just push them in by hand. Definitely got some glue there. See some paint along the side. Just run a knife along the back here where I see there's some paint stuck. Don't want anything else jacking us up. I think we got a lot of glue in this corner. That's going to be a problem. As you keep working these in, you'll see they get loose as you push one out, and just keep pushing them in. Hopefully that glue will give way, or the paper on the drywall. Let's see if we can get one in up top now. Oh. See if we can get one on the other side. You can pick these wood shims up pretty cheap. I just bought a big pack of them because I know I'm going to need them when we do our shower install. But this light is kind of in our way getting in there. I was hoping one of them would have popped by now. Slide this one under this light a little bit. Well, they didn't spare any expense putting that glue on. But we've got this bracket holding it in the bottom, and that's not going to move as much as the glue. So I don't want to put too much pressure on this lower one here. Hopefully you can see what I'm talking about. Got this bar going across that the mirror actually sits in. We're just trying to break the mirror free from the glue on the wall so we can lift it up out of this track. If it doesn't start coming loose, we may have no choice but to break it. "7 years bad luck." I don't think my luck can get any worse than it has. Otherwise, we wouldn't be doing this. We're running out of shim. Get something back there. Gently. See if they hit any glue. Nope. All section. Just have to give it a good pull. Really didn't want to break this mirror if I could help it. There it goes. And it didn't break yet. We can get our shims out of the way. Keep them together, please. Yeah, I'm going to ask my lovely assistant to come in here. Lift it up on this side. Got it? Mm-hmm. All right, there you go. Only one big glob of glue right in the middle. All right, a little bit of drywall mud on there. We're going to get this wall cleaned up. We'll pull this bracket off next. Looks like it's just glued on as well. So hopefully this is helpful. Please be careful. Here's a big piece of glass. I have had bigger ones break. We got lucky this time, and now we can reuse it if we want to. But thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to Dirty Days Garage for automotive and home repair tips. Have a good one, everyone.
Nobody's coming to save you. No handouts, no shortcuts. Just you, your grind, and your will to keep going. Life will hit you hard, but if you stand tall, fight back, and stay focused, you'll earn every inch of your success. Strength isn't given, it's built. When you decide to rise no matter what.